Testing. Hello. Just setting up a few things. Anyway, I'm back to continue working on UI. Let me just set up a few more things. Okay. Okay, in any case, well, earlier, a few hours before this, I worked on the world button, right? Adding the lock icon, adding the counter here, right? The numbers here. So looking at this, I think I need to tweak the color of the arrows a little more. So that's what I shall do. So after this, I'm probably going to work on the secondary level selection. So this is the world selection. I still need the level selection. Yeah, it's a lot of work there. Hello, Hannah. Dobby looking sassy? Alright, man. Yeah, I'm too lazy to set up the camera and stuff. It's not very... It doesn't seem to want to work most of the time anyways. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna change the color of these arrows here because they look a bit too faint. Like there's actually arrows here, but I can barely see it. So gonna change the color. So are you currently on leave? Or do you still have to report to work? I think a shade of yellow would look good. Shade of yellow on? Oh, on the arrows? Is that it? I can try that? Let me try that. So something like this, right? Okay, let me try, huh? So I have the colors right here, right? Active color, inactive color. I'm gonna shift this over. And then I'm gonna use the yellow color. 232 216 122. 232 216. 232 216. 122, right? Yeah. More like a faded version. Yeah, don't worry. I'm just testing it out first because I have these added scan lines, right, that will make them a lot more dim. So I'm gonna test it here. Let me just reload it. Oh yeah, you're right. It's a bit fierce. Okay, let me fade it out a bit. So what I'm gonna do is gonna add this color in. Okay, and then I'll add the background color in here. Okay, I'm gonna interpolate the color. Wow, from yellow to blue it's green. Let me try. No. Hmm. Less opacity, sure. Less opacity. Let me look into. Let me look into that. Let me see if I can do that here. Well, actually, hang on. Actually, let me just make a new layer. Cut this out. Paste this into a different layer. Change the opacity here. Alright, how's this look? Yeah. Gonna have to put the Jerboa into the game as well. I mean, into the world selection as well. Is this better? Something like this? So if I merge these two layers, right? I can get this color. It's slightly greenish. See, 979867. 979867. Alright, and then I'm gonna reload it. What's this? Is this better? Hello, DBS Oatmeal. Hello. Still working on UI. Yeah. Yeah, I'll stick with this color then. A dash of yellow, eh? Can be slightly brighter. Okay, let me try. Something like this. 169161. 169161. 96, right? Hello, Kalazol. You're back! Welcome back. With a dead dog. Sorry about that. So my camera isn't really working. What is its hex code? What is IDEK? The hex code is A9A1660. Ah, I see. A9A160. I don't know, I find this a bit too strong. Or maybe I just need some time to get used to it. What's the three numbers? The three numbers are 169, 161, and 96. Yeah, it's too strong, right? I think that way too. Hang on, eh? Because they're not supposed to take your attention away from from the buttons. So previously it was this. I can make them like slightly slightly brighter, I guess. Hang on, eh? Something like this. Well, not much changed. Something like this. The fact that they are moving takes your attention away. Ah. Yeah, perhaps. Well, let me try that out. Like, I'll test it out with people and see how that goes. Let's see. 120, 118, 76. 120, 118, 76. I boss John. You're right. Oh, it's a bit too much. Hang on. Okay. Like, you can think of the eyeball as like signifying the progression, right? So like the ones here are super faint. So they are like because it's inactive, right? The buttons here are inactive. Let's see. So I need something here. The Joboa will be here. Oh, the Joboa will be actually at the latest world. Yeah, the thing about this. That's fine. Okay. In any case, let me do a quick test. I am going to try. Okay, I'm gonna close this and change. Hey, where's my data file? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna change this to something like. You know what? I'm just going to change it to 9 because I'm aiming for 99 levels, right? And then you don't need the ones that you can't move to be moving. Oh, you're right, actually. And maybe darken the gray ones some more since its contrast with the active button is too close. Okay, I can do that. This is the world selection, so I actually need to. After the world selection, I actually need to do level selection. Let's see, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each world has 9 levels. Yeah, it's the value is. You're right. It's not very it's not dark enough. Let me do something about that. No, hang on. How should I do this? Let me grab this color. Let me grab the background color. Get the color in between. Oh, is this too much? We shall see. Okay. Then yeah, so I'm doing world selection first before I move on to level selection. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna try another one. What happens if I change the light value? Let me just hang on. Let me just drop the lightness by I don't know, by 20, by 30. Drop this by 30. Doggo isn't moving. Yeah, it's staring staring deep into your soul. Don't know which one to use. I'm gonna try this one. Why do I use create color and not dollar with hex? Oh, it's simply because I'm more used to this range, right? The 0 to 255. There's nothing more than that actually. So it's probably more efficient to write it in hex. Yeah, but it's harder for myself to read it. Let's see. So Amanda, how's it going? World button. Yes, there we go. Josiah's sleeping now. Nice. So I'm probably I'm only going to need this. Okay. Let's export this. Inactive blue button should replace the inactive yellow. Inactive, hang on, let me try to make sense of that. Inactive blue button replace the inactive yellow. Since the next one follows the yellow, it makes sense that next one is the faded one. Inactive blue button should replace inactive. Sorry, which one? Oh no, I'm not keeping both of them. I'm only choosing I'm only using one color. So I'm testing out these two variation and see which one I want. Right. So I'm not going to have like both inactive colors in there. Yeah. So this is a mockup. It's purely a test. So I have this here, and then let me import it again. So UI inactive, right? This one. Fresh cake and rotten cake, exactly. Have you decided which one you want to go for? On the brown one, I guess. The brown one. Oh damn it. I just noticed I exported two textures. It's fine. I just need to know the tile width and height. So it's 49 and 46, very, very weird dimensions. 49 and 46. 46. 1. 1, 1. Okay, so I'm choosing this frame here. This one. This and this, right? Actually, I'm not entirely sure which one to go. Which one to choose. Hey, why is this so white? I need to change this one. Which one? Which one is grey? This one? It's grayish brown, grayish blue, I guess. Or maybe I should go with this. Yeah. They're both great. Wait, are you serious? Can you tell the difference between these two? I could use both. Okay. Yeah. This one has more blue values in here. This one has a higher red value, so that's why it looks a bit brown. Yeah, it's a 92 for red. But they're still grey. The grey blue for the levels you can't travel to, and the yellow for the ones you can. Grey blue for the... okay. You think you like this one better than this? I can also do this. This one will look closer to the background color. I guess I can try that. Hang on, eh? Blue is better? Okay. There we go. I think it's better closer to the background because they're locked anyway. Yeah, that makes sense. I was thinking that also. Yeah, you're right. Okay, thanks. I just need to export it one more time. There we go. Right? So once this is done, I can run this again and check, see how it looks. Oh hey Lucius. Okay, let me just go to scene. Okay, something like that. Yeah. I think this is you're right, this is better. This is better than brown. Okay. Cool, man. Thanks for the suggestion. Yeah, this is way better than what I had earlier, right? The light gray color. Okay. Okay. So if everything works out, I'll have 99 levels. 99 levels. Wait, let me think. 99 levels. Why did I put 9 here? It should be 11, right? There you go. My voice sounds louder than usual. Yeah, I used the I added a few filters. Seems to work, huh? Cool. Thanks for letting me know that it works. Okay, that means I can plan my next part. I'm taking so long to work on UI. I'm taking forever. Okay, anyways. Wait, what? Hannah, sorry, I didn't. I'm sorry, I did not notice your question. Uh, your question is how did I make the moving arrows? Okay, so are you familiar with texture mapping? Are you familiar with this term? Texture mapping? Or just texturing in general, right? Are you familiar with the term texture mapping? Yeah, I'm just saying, have you heard of this term? No, I legitimately did not see the question. Okay, so so I've not heard of it. But basically, you have done 3D modeling, right? And are you aware that you can map an image, onto a 3D polygon? Like let me show you some of the textures. Hang on, 3D game face texture. Now you know about that, right? So you have seen stuff like this, right? Like this is a texture, right? This is something that you can do up in Photoshop, and then you can actually map this onto some 3D geometry, right? So see this? You can map it onto a three-dimensional geometry, or basically like a Minecraft skin thing. Yeah, exactly like that, exactly like that. The thing is, of course, I'm doing it at a much more simple level, right? Much more basic level. So basically, in my code, right? In my code, if you look at the like this part here, right? You notice I'm drawing triangles, right? So I'm drawing triangles. But what I'm doing is I'm drawing a diagonal triangle, right? I did the necessary calculations to find the vertices, right? The 4 points. So I'm actually drawing two triangles representing to form my quad, which is this rectangle here. And then if you notice, right, there are some numbers here. There's this numbers that says 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 1. This refers to the UV coordinates. Yeah. So Hannah, have you heard of the term UV coordinates? It's okay to not have heard of them. Oh, I'll try by not really. But you can think of it like this, right? So you see, so I have this quad, right, that I draw. Then let me show you another texture that I made. So do you recognize what this texture is? Right, this texture is the arrow, right, that I'm rendering in the game. So if you notice this, all of these arrows is from here. Right? So by default, in GameMaker, right, I can map my texture like so. Oops. So this is my texture. I drew this. Alright? And then I can map it like this. Alright, so basically this is 0, 0, 1, 0, right? 0, 1, 1, 1. So you can think of it this way, right? within the texture itself, right, it has its own coordinate system. 0, 0 representing the top left, and 1, 1 representing the bottom right. So by default, I can map it like this, but then I don't want to stretch my entire arrow across the chord. Otherwise, it looks ugly, right? So without my toweling, right, it actually looks like this. Let me see if I can. Hang on, I hope I'm able to explain this properly. Hang on. Let me get rid of my shader. Right, so by default, it will actually, so if I draw a long chord, right, it will actually stretch my entire arrow like this, which is not what I want. So the challenge here is to be able to repeat this image multiple times. So like without the shader that I used to do the toweling, it will look like this. You notice? You notice how ugly it looks? It will just stretch the whole thing across. So this is broken, obviously. Yeah, much stretch. So that means I need to do something, right, to manipulate the UV. So you see, yeah. So my explanation is not going to be 100% accurate because there's actually more going on. But this will, hopefully this will properly showcase like the concepts. So what's happening during rendering is I'm using 0, 0 for the top left corner and 1, 1 for the top right, for the bottom right, right? In my shader, I made some manipulation to the UV so that it looks like this. So that it's doing this. Like for example, so I calculate the length of the chord, right? And then I see, okay, how many times do I need to tau? So for example, with this chord, right, I know I need to tau 3 times, right? So that means I know for a fact that my y coordinate will not change. So it will still be 0 here and 1 here because I'm not toweling it vertically, only horizontally, right? So I know that this is 0 and this is still 1, 1. But the thing is, at each of this point, right, it will be 0, 0 here as well, and it will be 0, 0 here, right? That means it should go from, hang on, it should go from something like this. It should go from 0 to 1 here, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Hang on, you know what? Let me redraw this. Let's ignore the y component, okay? So it's going to be like this, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So I'm basically just manipulating the x component of the UV coordinate in order to make the value repeat itself so that I can draw the same texture multiple times. And that's basically it, yeah. Is that okay? I'm not sure if the explanation is good enough. Okay. Yeah, but that's about it. Yeah. And then to make it animate, all I did was I have some offset that is controlled by time, right? And that's it. You understood it? Yeah, that's a good starting point, right? You just need to understand the concept, and then you'll be able to figure it out. Alright, thank you for asking the question. So I think if you do UV unwrapping and whatnot, right, you will you will grow to appreciate all of this. Yeah, I think at some point you will want to do it, right? 3D modeling. It's just a layman explanation. Yeah, it's just a layman explanation. Okay, let's see. Where was I? Ah, right. So what I wanted to do was, so I have my world selection, which is here. I want each of these world to lead to a different screen. So I want to draw like 9 buttons. Oh my god, more buttons to draw. I'm not good at this. I am not good at this. How do you draw interesting looking buttons? Yeah, 9 buttons. Wait, how would people usually do it? Maybe buttons is a bit of a boring, how do I put it? Buttons are a bit boring, right? Actually. What if it's just a marker with the Joboa on it? What if it's like that? But I still need to be able to select it, right? I need to be able to click on it. Oh wait, how do I draw a finger? Oh no! Help! I can't draw a finger. Okay, yeah, whatever. Whatever. Mundane, yeah, mundane is the right word. Yeah, yeah, mundane is the right word. This is so mundane, right? It's so boring. How do I draw? Peach. No. wait. How do I draw a finger? Actually, a finger. Okay, then my knuckles. Then my thumb. Yeah, whatever. Okay, whatever. Keep it Disney Chini. It's a finger, Hannah. Okay, anyways. Pre-made button. Oh, now Lucius is definitely mocking me. Anyways. Anyways, I don't know what to do with this actually. Let me. Anyways, I don't know what to do. Let me just go to yeah. I'm just gonna do this. 10, 10. No. 18 tau width, 32 tau height. Okay. I could still use the buttons but surround it with thematics and settings. Okay. I need an approach that does not include like too many art assets because I'm not strong at making those, right? So how would it look then? I can still use buttons, but what do I surround it with? Well, I guess I can still put like the Joboa on top, right? Look at that face. anyways, okay, I guess I can do buttons. Thematics. So I was thinking the setting. The setting is the Joboa. Joboa needs to escape a science lab or something. I can't spell science. Oh my god. So something like Pinky and the Brain, I guess. Something like Pinky and the Brain. I guess. In any case, the story is not the important thing. In my game. Thematics. But I cannot do like the Mario thing, right? Adding trees around and whatnot. I cannot do that. Okay, you know what? Let me just do a mock-up. Okay. Okay, for scale, right, I need to copy this button over. This is just for scale. Oops, I should copy it into a different layer. Anything involving art, I take like a super long time. I'm just not good at it. Okay, let's see. Button. Can I use a square button this time around? Maybe. I think I accidentally drew something here. Okay. So just use white line first. But I shouldn't be using pure white lines. So I need to change it later. Okay. Oops. This is too small, right? This is too small. This is too small. I need to put like what, 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this is too small. So this has this zigzagging look. If possible, I want to fit everything inside one screen, so I don't need to, you know, scroll through it. What if I instead of organizing it in such a boring fashion, what if I just, you know, put the buttons in a sine curve manner? So one button here, one button here, one button here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you get the idea. I guess I can try that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let me try drawing this button first. Happy birthday, Zhongli. What? Oh, they have the birthdays for the fictional character. Really? Is that true? Oh, oh, it's the final day of the year. Holy crap! But at least it's the final day over here. Eee, it looks so weird. I guess I have to make it a circle. Too long. You're right. How about this? Maybe it shouldn't be a curve. Try carving the edges of it slightly. Sure. Like that. Let's do 1 pixel and see how it goes. So something like this. Shift this up by 1 pixel. Alright. Is this better? Or, well, I guess it looks a bit better, but I can carve a bit more. How would it look if I carve it a bit more? Like that? Oh no, not like that. Hang on. Like that. Okay, but if I do it like this, then how would the side look? Like that? Okay, something like that, I guess. That looks better. Carving out the edge. Yeah, I can only do pixel. This looks a bit better, right, than before. Okay then, let's try using this for now. Gonna delete this. Okay. And then so what if I, place it as if it's a sine curve? Sine curve. Actually, that makes no sense, right? Sine curve. No, it just looks weird, right? But maybe I can make an arc, I can make an arc. An arc. Whee! One, two, three, four, five, six. Oops. Oops. 7. Yeah, but I don't know. Is this unnecessarily fancy? Looks a bit weird. Yeah, that's just messy, isn't it? But if I add lines behind it, let me get the right color. If I add lines behind it, will it look better? Oops. Where's my line 2? Oh, there's no line 2 here. Damn it. Okay, anyways. What if I do this? That will it look better. I can reuse the line thingy I made. Yeah, the shape is terrible. Hello. Now, I'm just wondering how to lay out the buttons. I'm trying to figure out how to arrange the buttons. Yeah. I don't really know how to do it. So I'm still at the ideation phase. Yeah, I'm not sure what I should do here. Be like, world 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and so on and so forth. I probably wouldn't label them because it feels very artificial, to label them like this. Probably not like this, but yeah. Square buttons are for the level selection. It's a mobile game, right? So to select a level, it makes sense for them to just tap on the button. Okay, I think I'm overthinking this. Let me just... Just do something like this. Need to make it obvious. Right. But the thing is, right, I want... how do I put it? I want players to be able to skip levels. I want players to be able to skip levels because I don't want them to get stuck at any one level. The only thing they cannot skip is are the worlds. They can skip levels. Oh, okay, so it actually doesn't make sense for me to link them linearly. Yeah. It reminds you of the password thingy, right? So I think the color is a bit too strong. If you can connect diagonal, wouldn't it look messy? Oh, look at that. But this is just purely, aesthetics. The thing is, I want the players to be able to pick any levels. Any levels. Man, what's up, Hannah? Oops. 1, 2. 1, 2 is correct. 1, 2. Okay. Let me drop the Joboa into the mockup. something like that. I think I would want to avoid the diagonal. It seems to direct people's attention to the center. Okay. The tutorial levels may be a bit difficult to plan out. I guess the entire world one would be just tutorial levels. Yeah? 9 tutorial levels. Is that too much? Demo start of game to end of alpha. Demo start of game to end of alpha. Sorry, what do you mean? What do you mean by demo start of game to? You want me to demonstrate something? Demo start of game. Oh, my levels are not even organized yet. Yeah, so I cannot do the demonstration now. But yeah, I'll try to get it organized for a proper pre-alpha release. Yeah, I keep calling it alpha. It's actually pre-alpha. So usually if you reach alpha state, right, you're actually feature complete. That means you don't need to add any more features anymore. But yeah, I should call it pre-alpha. So this is a level UI mockup. Level select mockup. Okay. I mean, I can then write something here, right? Call it level select. Call it level select. Oops. Level select. Wow. Oh, you get the idea. Anyways, I have this. I'm gonna export the button here. Okay. No, I wrote that with a tablet. How is it possible to write that using a mouse? You thought I was godlike for a sec. I cannot even draw a straight line. Anna, are you on leave? No work. Oh, nice. Nice. Half day tomorrow. Nice. I have a lesson briefing tomorrow morning. Yeah, I mean school is starting pretty soon. Okay, guess this is enough. Save this. Stream lesson. No. Don't attend. If I don't attend, I will soon not have my part-time job. Level button. Okay, let me export this. Save. Okay, so I say I need to make this a uniform. You know what? I'm gonna make this a uniform. Uniform texture with u_f texture with text w, yeah, whatever. $20.0, right? Okay. Well, where's the text w here? Here. Any more? Nope. Oh, hello Amanda, are you still here? I don't think. I think Amanda probably used some other tool. Maybe some tracker, you know. Boskakio, right? The one made by Terry Kavanagh. Yeah, I think she probably used some tracker. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure. You can ask her again when she's back. Yeah, I should cache all of these uniforms. Oops. Let me do that in a bit. Sprite get weave. Let me see if I broke anything first. Run it. And are you composing music? Oops. Okay, yeah. That was a weird lag there. Okay, still working. Good. Still working. Decomposing in your decomposing. Okay, I'm gonna cache all of this. So it's probably not a good idea to keep calling this every single frame, because that's pointless, right? I shouldn't need to do that every frame. So I'm gonna cache all of this. Gonna cache this. Okay, then I run again and see if it broke anything. Probably fine. There we go. Still working. Good. Oh man, you know what? I'm gonna shift this to a actual room. I need to create a new room. Create a room. Where's my room folder? Okay, I'm gonna create a room. Maybe just copy it from title, duplicate. Call this world select. There you go. Delete everything. Delete this. Delete this. Delete title and button. Everything. Yeah, I have no idea how to pronounce that word, Lucius. You keep making me say weird stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It sounds weird. Hang on, eh? What was I doing again? World select. World selection. Okay, okay. So what I do, right, is in here. Hang on. Whoa. Oh, my eyes, goodness. What was the color supposed to be? Let me copy the hex value. Okay, there we go. Then I get the world select object. World selection. Where is it? World select. World selection. Drag it. Oh, great. Wrong layer. Drag it into instances. This should work. So what I'm gonna do is I will go to the title room. Wait. I have a button object, right? Okay, this button object. Okay. Okay. Start transition. Wait, this is the wrong. This is wrong. Wait, where do I specify which room to go to? Oops. Cannot read my own code. Let me go to this one. They remove the emote. Did someone remove? You mean Twitch remove emotes? Why is that? Oh hey, look, I can use Shell's emote. Oh yeah, I think I was gifted a sub. Yeah. Let me shout him out. He does really awesome stuff. So let me just Chow. Oh, hang on. How do I spell his username? Just gonna shout someone out. Once I can find the name. CHAO. CHAO. CLYPSE. Is that it? But does the user have to be in the chat in order for this to work? Let me try. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it works. Okay, in any case, let me get back to working on this. So I'm just going to look through my old code, right, and see where I determine the which room to go to. Oh, he gifted me 1 month subscription, I think. Cool stuff, eh? Cool stuff. But what exactly does a subscription do, you know, other than access to emotes and no advertisement, I think? Right? You will not be bombarded by advertisement, right? So other than that, what else do you get out of it? Okay. Okay, so it's a way to support the streamer, I guess. Wait a second, start transition, there's a state here. Oh, that's to transit in or out. Okay. Okay, I just call room go to next. I see. That's not good. It's okay. Let me shift this up. Where did I actually call room go to next though? Let me see. I think it's in the transition object. No, it's in the end step. Okay, here, I see. Got it. Yeah, I might need to refactor this next time. Okay. Alright, let me just test if this room is working properly. One moment. Title. Okay. What did you just... Oh. Is that my devlog? My first one. Trying stuff out. Oh, I broke it. Bum 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 bum. I broke everything. Okay. Oh, you mean I spoiled the levels? It's okay, there'll be more levels. Yeah, I did not show all my levels actually. My god, I broke it. What is this? Okay, hang on. Ah, goodness. Hang on. Okay. Where did I break the stuff? Okay, run this. Debug. It's time to go debug mode. Whoa, 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 okay. It's taking a long time, okay. It's taking a long time to load. So I just want to see where it breaks, you know. Just run it, watch it break. It's breaking at make war, but I'm not in the game. I'm not in the game level. Why is it calling make war? Can I see your core stack? No, no core stack. Yeah, it's always empty. I don't know why it is. Okay, anyways. Let me just search up make wars. Okay, got it. Found it. Yeah, found it. Okay. So let me just write the method that I can use first. Is game level. If not game level, I will exit. Okay, but if it is, I will start creating all this pool. Okay, let's run this and see if it works. So I'm just gonna test my world selection, and then afterwards I need to make a new room for my level selection. There we go. Oh, why is the transition so crap? Hang on. Restart everything. What? Where's my transition in? Come on. Come on. Okay, okay. Wait, let me check the game room. I must have forgotten to call something. I thought I need to call a transit in. Let me see. Let me check this. transit in sounds about right, but I'm not calling it for some reason. Okay, this is the one, right? So for some reason, this is not caught. Oh, of course, because of this. Wonderful. Wonderful. Damn it. Okay, you know what? If room is equals to world select, I will do this. Call exit here. I need to know what the center is. Okay, copy this. Let's try this again. What? The transition in is not working, huh? It's not working. How curious. It's because of this. I feel I'm just doing Tron error. Okay, anyways, if it's still not working, I will just skip this first. I'll move on to getting the level to work properly. The level selection. Right, I'll see if I can end the stream at around 2 plus AM. Yeah. Need to rest for the meeting tomorrow. Okay, it's not working. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, I'm still quite bothered by it. Hang on, let me just take a quick look. Transit in. Let me show debug message here. Hello. Okay, something like that. Run it. I realize I should do live reloading here. Okay, it caught hello, but it's not drawing. And I got a feeling my UI is rendering on top of the transition animation. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of calling draw GUI, instead of having the event in draw GUI, I'm gonna have it in draw GUIN. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that and see if it's still working. Yeah, there we go, it's working. Yeah. Although the color is not that great. Like, I guess it works. Zoom back down. I guess that kind of works. Restart. Well, I'll stick with this. I can get rid of this red line also. Let me just get rid of it and see how it looks. Need to go to my UI classes. UI container. There we go. Oh, UI element. There we go. Scroll down to UI container. There is yeah, this debug rendering here. I need to get rid of it. Okay. There we go. Oh no. Okay, I need to go to screen resizer to do something. Also, I need to remove my debug message. Hang on, where did I print out the hello? Here, right? There we go. Screen resizer. So my screen resizer does the letterboxing that you see, right, on the left and right, you know, here and here. I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay. It's going to be a bit painful to work on this. Okay, but let's see if the UI classes that I've written, let's see if it helps, you know. Okay, there we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I want 99 levels, I should have 11 of these buttons. If I click on this, it's supposed to lead me to the level select, right? So I need to work on that as well. It's supposed to lead me to the level select. So let's make the button do some stuff and so it has an on click that I can make use of. On click. This one. Okay. Okay. Button callback equals to function. Well, actually, hang on. Should be able to write it like this. Level index. No. Num. Okay, for now, right? I'm just gonna duplicate. Excuse me. Just gonna duplicate another room for the level selection. Where's my... Okay, there we go. This time it's gonna be level select. No, it's called start transition. Where is it? How do I call it again? There we go. Oh, damn. Damn, I need to do something about this start transition function. It needs to do more than just specifying whether it's going in or out of a state. Target room, something like that. That's what I need. Okay, like that. So that way I'm able to specify which room I want to go to instead of always calling room go to next, you know, like here. So this is where I want to change it. Room, well, I mean, if this is no one, then I do room go to next. Otherwise, it should be room go to mTarget room. Now time to make the changes to all the function calls, right? That calls start level transition. Start level transition, let's see, will select. Right, so this one goes to level select. This one, room equals will select. Wait, this doesn't make sense. Hang on. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. Let's see. For transition in, right, there is no need for a target, so I'll just put no one. How about this button? Yeah, I'll just put no one here also. And then door. Door, for now I put no one. Eventually it has to change. Okay. Not sure if I broke anything, so I'm gonna double check by compiling it. Okay. So far, so good, right? Everything here is still working. Okay. Okay. So, wait, I forgot to test something. Hang on. Yeah, I forgot to test this. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, there's a live reloading code snippet up there. I need to do this. I need to assign a callback function for the particular button. So it's gonna be something like on click equals to button callback. Oh, wait a second. I just realized I cannot do this. Hang on. Let me undo this. Can I do this? I'm not too familiar with the syntax. Can I do this? Yeah, I'll just try this for now. Set word index here. There you go. To do is a to do. To do set word index here. So each button will set the appropriate word index, and then I will go to the correct level selection. Ideally, that's the case, right? In theory, that's how it's supposed to work. Wait. Okay, too used to just using the debug console. Okay, something like that. Alright, so I have this. If I click on this, it's supposed to bring me to level selection. Aha, of course. Of course. Where is my game manager? Okay. Okay, let's see. Click. There we go. Level select. It'd be time to import the button. So I've made the button graphics, right? It's time to import it. Sprite, please. Level. It's correct, level select. S underscore level button up. Need to check the dimensions of this button as well. So it's a 2931, again a very weird dimension. 29, 31, 29, 29, 31. I did not import the thing. What the what? $29, $31, right? Yeah. Oh, okay, got it. 0 here, 0 here. Save it. So this is my button. Need another one. Wait, let me... Okay, set the alignment to center first. Duplicate this. Core it down. Okay. Edit. Okay. Okay, let me hydrate myself first. Okay. Got the buttons in. Okay, so I guess that means it's time for me to write another object for level selection. So I'm gonna copy this. Okay, it's getting messy here. Let me just close some of them. Oops. Guess I need my debug rendering again. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. I need my level to look like this, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first, this is my screen. I am going to make a UI container, right? And then I'm gonna try align it to the center. So alignment to the center, right? Like this. Okay, center. And then I'm going to add 9 buttons inside. And then I'm going to pray that everything is working properly. Hopefully it'll work. So the first thing I need to change is this. It's not supposed to be a UI vertical scroll box, but rather a UI container. A simple one. This one I'm gonna change it. Let me think. Aha. I need this here. Let's try running it. Oh hey, devious oatmeal. Working on the font. Let me check it out. Oh nice. Did you make your own font? Bottom is the old one, top is the new. This looks good. You make your own font, wow. Wait, is this a pixel font? Let me see. It's not, right? What do you use to make the font? FontForge? It is a pixel font. It is a pixel font. This looks a lot better. This card can perform 2 actions each turn. Nice. First, you made it in GameMaker so you could compare. Hello, Colorsaw. Welcome back. Now you need to make it in a font maker. What's the font maker you use, by the way? Is it the FontForge? It must be a lot of work to make a font, right? What about localization? Live Studio. Is FontForge good? I'm not entirely sure. I didn't make good use of it. You know, I only use it to add like. I remember using it to add in like a couple of Turkish characters. I'm not good enough at it to have like a solid opinion on it. Yeah. But you know what? Let me just write down Live Studio. Anyway, I'm not able to make my own fonts. I use FontForge as a means to combine different fonts together. Studio, you think it's not as supported anymore? Oh, it's a browser font maker. I see. I remember using the Google Noto fonts for my Chinese characters. Yeah. Yeah, but the way I went about it was like super unprofessional. Like, I remember my, how do I put it, my fonts, the fonts that I was able to find doesn't really fit the style of my game. But I had no choice. Right, I think all the other fonts are super expensive and don't have the money for it. Okay, in any case, making a font is actually really easy. Pixel fonts anyways, I see. Are your fonts... Wait, let me check it out again. Are your fonts like mono-spaced, or is it mono-spaced? I cannot really tell. It's not mono-spaced. How do you do it actually? There must be a lot of things to keep track of, right? Uh-oh, where's my... It's not working. Okay, hang on. The monospace is space between letters. If so, yes, 1 pixel apart. Oh, monospace, if I'm not wrong, monospace just means that every single alphabet basically occupies the same width. Yeah. Equally spaced, yeah. Like my the pixel digits things I was drawing earlier, that would be monospaced. Wait, where was it? I will be the same width as M. Yeah. You tried to do that, it didn't look as good. I see. Yeah, I think monospace it's not really a matter of whether it looks as good or not. It's at least in my case, right, I tend to use monospace because it's easier to work with. Yeah, but yeah, so non-monospace fonts I suppose would require more work, right? Because you have to apparently you have to keep track of a lot of this information, right? The spacing and whatnot. Am I right? Or maybe the font maker will make things easier. It's for spacing. Biggest issue with trying to do that was things like the I and the W and M. Right. You use monospace fonts for your coding. True. So there's something that I want to work on eventually. Like I want to be able to do colored text. Colored text like you something like if I can print a text that says you get I don't know, get a then something item shoe, and then the shoe is colored in red. And to do this, I think if it is monospace, right, then it's fairly easy to implement, I feel, because you can just draw this, you can just render the text like twice, right? First you do the you print everything in the base color, and then you have another pass to render this special text, right? But then you just take into account how many spaces is in front. So you just print all the spaces, and then you render the shoe again, but this time in a different color. Yeah, but if it's non-mono space, then it becomes so much more complicated, right? Yeah. The default for GameMaker is mono space. Ah. Yeah, I really want to do this, but I just don't know how to. At the moment, I have not figured out how to do this without the mono space fonts. It probably requires us to like get the data, right, the spacing for each alphabet. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, I think the functionality to get all this information exists in GameMaker, but I have to look up the documentation. One of these days, this will be an interesting project. Maybe. Okay. Because I see like some people, like their projects, right? They have fancy text, they're animating and they're colored and whatnot. And I really feel like I want to work on that one day. What you can do actually is use GameMaker's function that returns the amount of pixel width a line takes up. Var it, then change the draw color. Draw starting. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, Cameron, hello. How are you doing? Thanks for dropping by again. Just working on UI. Let me see. Let me see if I can show something. I hope I didn't break my implementation from earlier. Let's see. So I've been working on this, a word selection, right? So it's a selection screen where we can choose which word to go to, and then once we click on it, right, we are brought to the level selection. But the level selection at the moment is blank. Go to restart. Okay, let's see. You can do it that way if you do the counting, or if you could also make your own hash. Oh, okay. Stuff like that, so it doesn't have to be mono-spaced. Each different color has to be its own draw text core, right? That's a theory, but you look into it a while back and okay. Yeah, I mean, one of these days, it would be nice to work on that. Okay. I just realized something. There is something crappy about my button implementation. I need to fix that. So if I'm dragging the UI container, right, and if I accidentally mouse over my button, right, it'll just trigger the button straight away. That's terrible. I need to fix that. Maybe I'll fix that later. Let's work on the level select. Here's the block where you learn how to do it as well as other text effects. Whoa. Let me check it out. This? Oh, this is fancy. How did the guy do it? Let me see. This is some time ago, right? 2017, I see. This looks like GMS1. There's a follow-up. Oh, nice. So this is the typewriter, right? That's fine. Typewriter is fine. Let's check. Wait. What is this again? Display text. Oh, okay. Nothing about colors, right? Not yet. Portrait, okay. Something like that. Typewriter, I think we know how to do. Other text effects. Let's see. Oh yeah, speaking of string char at, are you all annoyed at the fact that the index to a character, right, in a string function, the index starts at 1, not 0. It's so annoying. It still works in GMS 2.3. Nice. Okay, let's see. Making your own hash. Oh, okay. Ah. Okay. Yeah, this is fancy, yeah? Wait, I need to see how this is done. Is it drawing like... Okay, here's the thing. Oops. Wait, here's the thing. This part here, I need a magnifier. Hang on. Magnifier. You haven't messed much with strings, but I can imagine that to be annoying. Yeah, it does look like a lot of work. There's also an extension called Scribble, but it's not GML. Ah. Hang on, I just want to check out this part here. TX plus. So each time there's an effect, right? It's the character is drawn using a separate draw text call, right? Let me see. TX. This is a position plus space time. See, this is monospace fonts, right? Char width. This has to be a monospace font, right? Otherwise, we cannot do this, right? I think. This method requires monospace. Maybe there's more to it. Yeah. Let me bookmark this so I can give it a proper look through. But looking at all that, right, it's no wonder why text rendering is so expensive. Okay, let's see. Where was I? Oh, right. Oh my god, it's already past 2 AM. Let's see. Let's aim for 220. Okay, 220. Okay, now I just need my level selection object here. Run it. Okay, go here. Go in here. Where's my line? What the heck? It's not here. Level selection. This one. So I'm doing something wrong, I think. Oh wait, of course. I'm not the... I don't know what I'm doing. Let's call step. Let's call draw. I think I'm just dreaming. Okay. Do this. Do this. Container dot update delta time global.dt. The latest link you posted doesn't require monospace, but it's not GML at the same time. Oh, wait a second. Devious Oatmeal found something. Let's take a look. What is wrong with my web browser? Oh my god, I cannot even read this. What does it say? Something is blocked. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Come on, Chrome. Okay, in any case, font get UV. This function returns an array with the UV coordinates for the font texture on the texture page, filling in the array with the following values. These values can then be used in other draw functions, particularly in general drawing when using primitive as well. Ooh, oh. Wait a second. Oh, but this gives the entire mapping of the font bitmap, right? Not individual characters, right? This one doesn't give individual characters. No, I don't think this is what it does though. Like let me see if I can bring up the texture. Preview the texture group. Hang on, How do I do it? There used to be a button around. I think it's Windows. There you go. Okay, Windows, please let me check out my this one, preview. Oh, returns an array? Oh, then you're right. Hang on. It actually generated the thing. Okay, let's see. No, but the array there's only 4 slots, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, which describes the UV coordinate. So if I were to take this, oh crap, I closed it. Oh no, I have to regenerate it. Oh, I lost the link to it. So let me generate it. Okay, and then let me toss it into pixel edit. So the array, right? I think. Let me also color the background black. Yeah, the array is only going to give us this box here. Let me change to red color. The array is going to give us this box, and essentially that array, right, has four numbers. It's basically giving us the x component, right? The x component here, and the y component here and here, right? Right. It's basically left, right, top, and bottom. Yeah, they really like to hide the stuff, right? It's so hard to find the functions. Okay, now I need to call mcontainer.draw. and hope it works properly. Okay, please work properly. Click. There we go. My box is here. My buttons will be spread out across this entire box. Okay, let's do it. At the very least, I want to create the 9 buttons before I go. 3 plus I J here, J here, J here. So there's a total of 9 buttons, right? I'm gonna create buttons here. Oops, not button, buttons. Okay. Excuse me. I think I need to clean up. Do I need to call cleanup? Let me check. Yeah, I need to call cleanup. New UI button. Level button up, down. Okay, how do I do this? I need to anchor it to the center. You know what? I don't need to do this. Okay, not sure what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna wing it for now. I need to set the offsets as well, right? So, okay, let me do something like 30, 40, 40, 10 from the top. No, 10 from the top. Okay, something like that first. Let me try this out first. The next option is to make an array with every letter in your font, then put in is with. Yeah, I guess that works. I guess that works. Although it's scary if we have to think about supporting multiple languages. Right? Imagine supporting a language like Chinese, right? There's no alphabets. It's a unique character per word. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that would be a nightmare to support. Oh wait, but Chinese can be implemented as a monospace. I think. I'm not so sure. Yeah, but supporting multiple languages is a lot of work. And a lot of money. If Chinese can be monospace, that would make it much easier. Yeah, indeed. Oh, should not be using the same name. Hang on. $40. Though I don't think I would make a custom font. Yeah. Yeah, that's too much, man. Too much. A unique character per word. Goodness. It's way too much. Yes, in that sense, Korean is probably more doable. On Japanese, oh wait, but Japanese has kanji, right? Which is essentially just Chinese characters. Oh yeah. Oh man. uh. Check the link you posted or wait, which link? Did I miss out something? Hang on. The link? Oh, a YouTube link. Hang on. I missed it. Hang on, let me mute it first. A better GameMaker text renderer. Oh, look at that! Hey, thanks for the link, man. I'm gonna mark this as I'm gonna save it to watch later. Oh, this is fairly new, yeah, late last year, so it's about 1 year old. Yeah, it's fancy. Thanks for the link, man. Oh, they even released their code. Oh, look at this. modern text renderer, blah blah blah. Basic setting up. Click the regenerate button, the font dialog, blah blah blah. Oh man. Oh, that's cool. Last update 10 days ago. Wow. Yeah, then I guess I can forget about writing my own, right? I'll just use this. What's the guy's background? Has he released any games? Maybe I can go and support. Juju Adams. Adam. He says I've worked on a lot of GameMaker titles. Oh, that's so cool. Based in London. Ooh, look at this! All the big titles. This Room, Hyperlight Drifter, Sword of Ditto, Shovel Knight Pocket Dungeon. Oh, this one I've not heard of. Let's work on so many things. Awesome. It's awesome. Oh, I just realized something. I could do this. J -1. J lesser than or equals to 1 plus J. Oh, it's almost 2:30. Holy crap. Okay, let me just do this and then I'll be done. Okay, let's see if it works. Oops, let me just live reload the thing. There we go. There we go. It's just not placed correctly. 10 is not enough. $60? No. 20? Yeah, something like that. Maybe I need to spread them apart. Yeah, and the other guy, the one whose channel you sent showcasing it, has made an extension, like an editor type thing for it. If you do end up going for it, just type in Scribble GameMaker. Okay, let me write this now. Scribble GameMaker. You'll find all the videos on it. Hey, thanks man. Thanks so much. On YouTube, okay. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Yeah, I just might go and use that instead of writing my own. It's awesome. There's an extension I'm using from the marketplace that is really awesome, by the way. I'm not sure if you've used it before. Let me. Wait, is it here? Yeah, have you used Twin GMS? It's really good for twinning objects, for like moving objects. Twin GMS, I think, is definitely worth checking out. Right, since you shared Scribble, I thought like maybe I'll also show what I use. You have it? Ah, it's so good. It's so good. Oh, you've got some other tuning library? Ah, I see, I see. Yeah. I've been relying on this for like the past couple of years. It's pretty awesome. And the dude's always updating it. Let's spread it apart a little more. 55. 70. Okay, I think I'm gotten to the part where I can probably end it. Restart. I should write a command to just restart this room. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Right, and then I just, you know what? Do I have time? Maybe I can draw the lines connecting it. Should I? Guess I can try, right, before I go. Let me try drawing the lines. You know, all the blocks and the add-ons and stuff. I know. No, it's. I think it's super important to be resourceful, right? I think I lack that. I think I lack that resourcefulness. You know. I think it's so important to be resourceful because you can save so much time. Oh no, I broke something in my sprite sheet. Hang on, let me check. This one. Yep, I broke something. Oops. Get rid of this, save it. You got Twin GMS Pro. Ah, yeah, that's a good one, man. It's so good. Oh, you know him? Is it the GameMaker lineup thingy? Let me check. Oh, clean your IDE. Oh, what is this? Yeah, it's him. Clean your IDE, what's this about? How to make... Oh, I see. Okay, let me save this also. Just make the IDE a bit cleaner. Right. Let me save to watch later as well. Yeah, actually, we actually follow each other on Twitter. Apparently, he's working on some 3D rendering stuff now. Super cool. Oops, sorry, accidentally bumped into my mic. But yeah, he's working on some 3D rendering. Seems like it. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to draw some lines. Okay. Draw some lines. Okay, fine. I'm gonna create the surface again. Oops, cannot spell surface. Surface exists. If it does not exist, I'm going to create my surface. Oops. Surface reset what? Reset target. Okay, maybe this is not going to be as quick as I thought it would be. I could put this in a script, but I'm just gonna copy it. Okay, I'm just gonna copy it. Copy, and then, you know, if need be, I'll refactor later. Or regret later, whichever. Okay, let's see. So I need to change how this is done. I need a container for my buttons. Okay, wonderful. M buttons. It's time to do this. You think you'll look into Delta Time again and use this project on the marketplace as a learning project before implementing it? Right. Yeah, man. Yeah, Delta Time. I think if you like implemented, like if you make all your movement in your game be time based, or by taking into account the delta time, you can implement like certain effects like slow motion very easily, and it's quite fun. Right, yeah, slow motion, exactly. It's awesome. I have a game jam game that make use of that. Let me see if I can. Find it. Oh, yeah, there we go. I found it. I have this super CD project that's made in a day. So it's a game where you try to avoid people. So I guess you play as this introvert that doesn't want to come into contact with people. Like this. And then, you know, as the room gets more and more packed with people, you will need to rely on your slow motion ability, like so. It's such a silly game. Ah! Ah! Help! Okay, never mind. You get the idea. This extension for editing text is really nice. Oh, nice. I'm gonna check it out too. The Matrix Cord, they say they want their new map. The extension for editing text, you're referring to Scribble, right? Okay, am I doing this correctly? Let me check. Aha, I don't need this. The most useful feature is being able to put a sprite in mid-side. Oh! Oh damn, I need that. I need that. I need that. That thing gave me so much problem. It's like we can input a button sprite, right? That'd be so useful. Okay, what was I doing again? Oh yeah, here. I times. Oh, there's another link. Let me check. You're welcome. You know what? Thanks so much for that recommendation. It's super important. Adding extensions. Alright. I think if it's exported properly, you can just drag it into your project. Oh dear, how do I... Okay. I times 3. I times 3. Okay, I times 3, and this is I times 3 plus 2. It's a bit of a weirdness here. Thickness, let's keep the thickness at the... Okay, I'm gonna use the same sprite for now, but I'm gonna change it later. So thickness is gonna be pretty thick for now. Ah, goodness. Index 1. Index 2. There you go. But only if the extension has that. Otherwise you need to build it yourself. Right. You don't know how to do that with Yellow's Steam Online integration thing. I think... Okay, so I could be wrong, but you can try doing this. Create local package. I could be wrong, but yeah, you can try this first. Create local package, and then you can just include all of the assets you want into the asset package, and then you can reuse it. So we used to be unable to create local packages. We have to like go to the marketplace and whatnot, and that was super annoying. But thankfully they have added this local package support. Oh, wait a second. I just realized my GIF is blocking the thing. This one. Tools, create local package. Yeah, I can try this. Right, vector, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, what was I doing? How do I continue doing this? Start and end. Okay, got it. So this should be index 1 and index 2 here. I feel like whatever I'm doing here is probably not gonna work. It's index 1, sorry. Index 1. Index 2. Oh crap. Index 2. UV02. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Keep this. Index 1, index 1, index 2. Oh, this is so messy. I'm probably better off rewriting this. Color, set it to white for now. I'll change the color later. And then I need to cache all of the uniforms as well. So it's here. Go back. I need to figure out how to draw the surface. So I'm gonna draw it like this. Okay, if it doesn't work right, I'm just gonna go sleep. And then do it again tomorrow. Probably not going to work. Click. Click. Oh my god. Oh my god, it hung. How do I do the package thing? So what you do is you click on tools, click on create local package, and then you just write your publisher name and whatever in here. Don't worry about signing the package, and then you select the files you need and include it into the asset package. Yeah. Oh, I could stream for 72 hours straight. If I stream for 72 hours, I'll be dead. Speaking of which, I should stretch my legs. Hang on. Wow, my legs. Goodness. Okay. File you need from where? Either your own project or so I assume Yellow Afterlife probably provided his own project, right? So I guess you can open his own project and then click on create local package, and then once the package is exported, you can use it in your own project. I'm guessing he provided the project. Yeah. Yeah, to add an extension to your game. Yeah, the package would be a easy way to reuse the assets, right? He did not include the GM project. I think you needed to use this other pro. Oh, in that case, I don't know. Oh, I see. Oh. Was that the networking stuff? The socket stuff? Oh, I have not looked into that. Ah. Right. In any case, I don't know why my thing is hanging. Why would it hang here? There's no infinite loop in here, right? Clean it and run it again. He included a sample project. Oh. It wouldn't have the new. Oh, I see. It's outdated sample project? Okay, it hang. It's stuck. Okay, wonderful. Why is it stuck? Gonna try something. Show debug message. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Just stuck at. Didn't even. What? I don't get it. Okay, let me try something. Oh, okay, I should be sleeping soon. Hang on. Should be sleeping soon. Okay. Something is wrong with my loop. What the heck? What in the world? Okay. Try something. Gonna undo this bit by bit and then see which one is breaking. Run this. That worked. Oh wait, there's a runtime error. M-elapse. I am making reference to an M-elapse. Oops. Ah, goodness. Let me just put in a 0 here first. Guess that's why it hanged. Okay, run. Okay, it's broken. What happened to my arrows? Why is my arrow so crappy now? Yep, it's super crappy. It could be the scanline that is ruining everything. Hang on, let me remove the scanline. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, maybe it's the scanline doesn't work well for that pattern. Oh, it is distorted, so something is wrong. It is distorted. Gets more and more distorted in the later rows. But I will fix this tomorrow. I will fix this tomorrow. It's getting late. So a quick recap. Basically, well, I did some tweaking to my world selection, and then afterwards I started planning out what I should do for my level selection, which essentially is, I decided on just having 9 buttons organized in a grid format. Well, basically the most direct approach. Yeah. In any case, this is what I have for the world selection. I did a little bit of refactoring, changed some colors, right? With input from Devious Oatmeal and Hannah. So I have that. And then this is my work in progress level selection. It's obviously broken. The lines, I do not know why they are so distorted. It goes from somewhat distorted to extremely distorted here. So yeah, I have to look into that. And that's it. That's it. Hey, thanks so much for hanging around. Thank you, Devious Oatmeal. Thank you, Colorzaw. I'll be off. I hope to catch you all again pretty soon. See ya. Bye bye.